welcome to Your Great Human Adventure. I'm Dr. Michelle Peticolas, founder of Secrets of Life and Death and Second Chance Secrets, sharing information about how you can master the 4 superpowers of a great human adventure. Today we're going to look at other. There are 4 superpowers: spirit, body, mind, and others. Lately I've been talking about food because we're heading into that holiday season when staying on your particular path in terms of food can be especially challenging. I've talked about how the body is and how you can deal with the body and how it's so important to take care of your body's needs, to have it really support you in this life. I talked about mind and how mind can give you a hard time. Today I want to talk about how others are a huge influence on us when it comes to our eating. Not only what we think is appropriate food and what's not appropriate food based on our childhood experience, based upon our current family or friends, based on what we've read and what we experience in the culture. We have all these ideas about what's good food and what's bad food. Now, maybe you have gotten to a point where you are pretty clear about what's working for you. And maybe sometimes you veer off your path, but you come back to it because you know it works for you. And now comes this holiday season and other people who can influence you or be influenced by you. It's difficult. For example, if you're a vegan and you're going to Thanksgiving where everybody's eating turkey and maybe you don't eat meat, and so there's this discomfort because maybe you have some very, very strong viewpoints on eating meat. How do you navigate that? How do you make it comfortable for everybody? Number 1, don't proselytize. Take care of yourself. And be discreet. Bring your own food so that you don't put this pressure on your host. Some people suggest that you eat before you go to an event. I don't usually do that. I make sure that I'm not starving to death because then as soon as I walk in the door, I'm starting to stuff my face. But I don't want to overeat. And so I try to just make sure that I'm sated, but there's room for pleasure. And to remember that, of course, this is a time of celebration and that eating is one of the ways in which we connect with each other, that we have that bonding with each other. So if somebody offers you something that's a little off your diet or your preferred food, maybe take a little taste and then eat it really slowly so that you can appreciate it without blasting your system. That's my suggestion, is take little tastes. And that was something that I had shared in my video on the body, is to learn to eat slower, to savor the food. And I've been working on that myself, eating slowly, trying to take up to 30 chews for every bite of food. That's challenging, but it's really good because it causes you to slow down and really enjoy the food instead of rushing through it. Wouldn't that be the perfect solution, is to enjoy it and experience it? Food is one of the true pleasures of this great human adventure. So why not celebrate it, enjoy it, and enjoy the company of other people? That's all I have for today. Be brilliant. Take care of yourself. Enjoy your holiday.